Chia seeds, nutrient-rich marvel and omega-3 goodness. Chia seeds have seen a surge in popularity for health-conscious people. The tiny seeds, which originate from the Salvia hispanica plant Salvia hispanica, are now popular due to their large nutrient quantity and multiple advantages for health. They are not only packed with vital vitamins and minerals. Chia seeds contain a significant amount of omega-3 fats. In this post, we'll look at the nutritional and the health benefits of chia seeds and the reason they've been deemed a food sensation. Chia seeds are packed with vital nutrients. This makes them an absolute nutrition powerhouse. Chia seeds are a great source of protein, fiber as well as magnesium, calcium as well as the mineral phosphorus. They also have significant quantities of zinc, potassium, as well as vitamins B1 as well as B2 and B3. Chia seeds are also high in antioxidants that aid in protecting the body from oxidative stress as well as lower the risk of developing chronic illnesses like cancer and heart disease. One of the best-known characteristics of chia seeds are the high omega-3 fatty acids content. Omega-3 fats are the most important fats that your body is unable to create by itself. They play an essential part in the brain's function as well as heart health and regulate inflammation. Chia seeds are among the most abundant plant source of omega-3 fatty acids, which makes them a great alternative for people who don't eat fish. Fish is the primary source of essential fats. Chia seeds have been linked to numerous health advantages. High levels of fiber in chia seeds helps maintain the health of your digestive system as well as aids in preventing constipation. If soaked in liquids, chia seeds are able to absorb as much as 10 times their weight and form the appearance of a gel. The gel can slow digestion and causes you to feel more fuller and aids in weight loss. Chia seeds are also associated with improved health of the heart. Omega-3 fatty acids found in the seeds can help lower the bad cholesterol level, reduce blood pressure, and reduce the chance of developing cardiovascular disease. Also, they contain alpha-linolenic acids, ALA, which is an omega-3 fat which has been proven to decrease inflammation-related markers within the body. Chia seeds can also aid in better blood sugar management. Because of their levels of protein and fiber, chia seeds may reduce digesting and absorption of carbohydrates and prevent blood sugar spikes. Chia seeds are low in glycemic index. This means they don't trigger a dramatic increase of blood sugar. They are a great supplement to the diets of people with diabetics or who are trying to keep their blood sugar levels stable. Levels. The addition of chia seeds to your daily diet is simple and adaptable. They have a mild flavor and are a great addition to many recipes. It is possible to sprinkle them on yogurts, cereals, or salads, mixed into smoothies, or to substitute eggs for baking recipes. If mixed with liquids, the chia seeds expand and form a gel-like consistency which makes them ideal to make puddings or used to thicken salad dressings and sauces. In order to incorporate chia seeds in your routine daily, begin with consuming a couple of teaspoons daily. It is recommended to soak the seeds in water or other liquid at least 10 minutes prior to eating in order to let them create a gel-like consistency. It is crucial to remember that chia seeds take up liquids, which is why it is vital to drink plenty of fluids in order to avoid any digestion irritation. Chia seeds can provide numerous advantages for health. It's important to keep in mind that they must be eaten in a healthy eating plan. There's no one food product that will supply all the nutrients needed to ensure optimal well-being. It is important to have variety and ensure that you include an array of diverse food items in your food plan to satisfy your nutritional requirements. Chia seeds are a worthy candidate for superfood status because of their incredible nutrient profile as well as the health advantages. The tiny seeds are high in vital nutrients like proteins, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, as well as antioxidants. Chia seeds consumption can improve digestion health, assist in managing weight, aid in the health of your heart, and to regulate the levels of blood sugar. They have a neutral flavor and the ease of incorporating them in a variety of recipes. Chia seeds make perfect for an energizing and balanced diet. Why not sprinkle some chia seeds on your breakfast cereal or mix them into the smoothie you love to boost your nutrient intake? Your body will be grateful.